Hello, all creative content creators. In this video, I am going to show you 2 easy ways to create circle mask in Premiere Pro, as you can see. So, let's get started. Now, we are inside Premiere Pro. First of all, I am going to show you the hard way to create a circle mask. But I always prefer the second method. Here, you can see, I have already imported a talking video on video layer 2. If I turn off this visibility, you can see, I have a black background on video layer 1. Now, we need to create a mask over the talking video head. Now, move over to the Effect Controls panel. Then, from the Opacity section, we have to select Create Ellipse Mask. Now, you can see, our ellipse mask has been created. Then reposition it by clicking and dragging it over the head. By the way, this is not a perfect circle. And, to make it a perfect circle, you can click one of the points here and press Shift. Then, drag and move it a little bit to the right. Next, we need to hover at this point till we get that kind of rotational symbol. And then, press Shift. And then, we will get this double arrow. And, once we see the double arrow, then click and scale up. Then, you can reposition it over the head. Now you can see, this is a perfect circle. Now, when we click off over here, you can see, there is a little bit of fuzziness around that. If you like it, you can keep it. I personally like a hard edge. So, I am going to make the feather value 0. So, now you can see, there is no feathering. And then, you can click on Motion Control and reposition the circle to anywhere. Now, we have to add a border around the circle. First, let's create a shape. So, we can go down here into our toolbar. Then, we have to select Ellipse tool. And then, we can just click and drag. Also hold the Shift key to create a perfect circle. You can see, it created a graphics layer in the timeline. Then, reposition the circle over the head. And, extend the graphic layer. By the way, we need to place the yellow circle behind the talking video. That's why, we have to bring up the talking video layer above the graphic. Now, we need to resize and reposition the yellow circle. From the Essential Graphics panel, we can easily resize and reposition the yellow circle. Now, you can see, this is a perfect circle for the talking video. And, you can see, the circle may be a little bit too thick. So, we have to increase the scale size from the Essential Graphics panel. Now, you can see, this is perfect circle. Now we are done. In this way, you can create a perfect circle mask in Premiere Pro. But I think, this is very difficult way. So, I always prefer the second method. So, let's see the second method. Here, you can see, I have got the same video. First of all, we have to create a circle mask over the head of the video. So, let's move over to the Effects panel to add an effect. This is a circle effect. Now, drag and drop this circle effect to the main video. Now, you can see, a circle has been created. Also, you can see, the circle is white color. Don't worry about this. Now, we need to place the main video inside the circle. That's why, move over to the Effect Controls panel. Now, from the circle effect, we have to change the blending mode, none to stencil alpha. After that, I am going to increase the radius of the circle. Now, you can see, the main video is visible inside the circle. And, from here, we have to reposition the circle over the talking head. Now, you can see, the circle is perfect. And then, you can click on Motion Control and reposition the circle to anywhere. Now, we have to add a border stroke around the circle video. That's why, move over to the Effects panel to add an effect. This is a paint bucket effect. Now, drag and drop this paint bucket effect to the main video. Now, you can see, it's going to look a little crazy. Now, move over to the Effect Controls panel. Now, from the Fill selector, we have to select Alpha Channel. Then, from the stroke, we have to select Stroke. Now, you can see, a little bit stroke is visible around the circle video. Next, we have to increase the stroke width. Now, you can see, this is perfect. Also, you can change the stroke color from here. Now, we are done. In this way, you can create a circle mask easily in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.